Hi everyone! In this video, we will introduce the Vasicek model, a mathematical model used in finance to describe the movement of interest rates over time. The model was developed by Aldrich Vasicek in 1977. It describes the evolution of interest rates by assuming that the short-term interest rate follows a mean-reverting stochastic process. It is an example of Ornstein-Uhlenbeck process. The instantaneous interest rate R follows the following stochastic differential equation. Wt is a linear process or a Brownian motion. It introduces some randomness into the model. The model involves several constant parameters. B is the long-term mean or equilibrium to which the interest rate reverts. It is the level that the interest rate tends to approach over time. A is the speed of reversion. This parameter, positive, determines the speed at which the interest rate reverts to the mean reversion level. A higher level indicates a faster reversion to the mean. Sigma is the instantaneous volatility. It measures the randomness or fluctuations in the interest rate movement. Higher volatility means larger and more frequent fluctuations. Here is a simulation of a path of interest rates with the Vasicek model. In addition to the three parameters I, B, and sigma, we need a value for the initial level of R. We see that interest rates evolve around the long-term mean B over time. The time horizon is 10 years in this simulation. A times B minus R times dt is the strength of mean reversion. If the value of the instantaneous interest rate R is higher than its long-term average B, it is negative. If R is lower than B, it is positive. It is playing the role of a force stabilizing the random value around its long-term mean. The higher the speed of reversion or the distance between the current value of R and its long-term mean B, the stronger it is. The half-life of the mean reversion is the average time it takes to be halfway back to the mean. The higher the speed of reversion, the smaller the half-life. The stochastic differential equation has a solution. Here is the demonstration for those of you interested. It can be easily resolved by applying the Ito lemma to RT times the exponential of AA times t. RT follows a Gaussian distribution with simple expressions for its mean and its variance. It admits a stationary probability distribution. When time t is very large, the long-term average of RT tends to B, and the long-term variance tends to sigma squared divided by 2 times A. The variance increases with the instantaneous volatility sigma, but it decreases with the speed of reversion A. Here are several simulated interest rate paths based on the Vasicek model. Most simulations remain within 2 standard deviations of the mean, with a stationary distribution when t becomes large enough. The price of a zero-coupon bond has a closed-form formula in the Vasicek model. At date t with maturity capital T, it is given by the following formula under the no arbitrage assumption. Here is a demonstration for those of you interested in the maths. M and V are the average and the variance of the integral of RT. They can be directly calculated from the expression of the integral using Ito isometry for the calculation of the variance. The Vasicek model nevertheless has several limitations. The Gaussian assumption is not realistic with more fat tails or asymmetric distributions in practice. Another limit is the possibility to have negative values in the model. Typically, it can be problematic if we want to model the default intensity in credit or implied volatility in stochastic volatility models. The flexibility of the model is limited. It is typically unable to reproduce all zero-coupon curve shapes observed in the market. The model may be too simplistic. It is a single-factor model with a constant volatility parameter and it does not incorporate jumps. Thank you for your time.